Hello, this video is to introduce you to HLA 311, Data Science Applications in Healthcare. This course is being taught here at Winona State University in the summer of 2023. My name is Chris Malone and I will be your instructor for this course. I have been here at Winona State University for 21 years. My background is in statistics or applied statistics. But more recently, I have been teaching a variety of data science courses here at Winona State University. So let's go ahead and introduce you to this course then. So we will have a D2L site for this course. There will be certainly announcements placed here at the front. I will use the calendar to help you with the homework assignments and their due dates. But other than that, I will not be using D2L a lot. We'll be using a different site in order for you to get your notes, to submit your homework assignments, etc. And that other site is statsclass.org. So let me go back here. Statsclass.org. So this is a secondary site that I use in my teaching. And obviously, we'll be clicking on HLA 311 for this course. And this here will be our primary site that we will be using throughout the semester. I have announcements up here at the top. So again, videos that are posted or homework assignments and their due dates will be listed here. I also will use, like I said, the calendar in D2L because that is a common place that you go to look for when stuff is due. Below that, I have our course materials. So the structure for the course materials will be a module or a part. We'll have course notes provided here. There's a video that is associated with those notes. And then we have either guided homework assignments or what I call regular homework assignments. A little bit about the notes. So the notes are interactive notes. So if we click on one of those and look at this, they are interactive notes. There will be spots for you to submit answers to questions that are posed in the notes. Okay, so this first set looks like there's some there. So we'll go through the notes, or you'll go through the notes, and then you'll have to pause and answer these questions that I have posed in the middle of these notes. And then you go a little bit more, and then there'll be some more questions. So I think the best way to learn is to be interactive. Okay. So that is how I do the course notes for this course. We will be using a lot of spreadsheets. So here you can see that I'm using a Google spreadsheet. There'll be data provided there, and you'll have to work with that data. So oftentimes these course notes will have you do some stuff with data, and then you'll provide like a snapshot of the data or some of the outcomes, or maybe it's just answering a question like I have here in this example. Now, once you submit your notes, so once those are completed and you submit them, I will give you my answer for each of these questions. So you'll be able to get immediate feedback on whether or not you are correctly understanding what is being presented to you. Okay, so that's how the course notes will work for this class. They're not PowerPoint slides, but they're these web pages that have these interactive elements to them. So that'll be here. Now, all of the course notes have an accompanying video to go along, so I'm explaining all the content. And then, like I said, many of these will have either a guided homework assignment or maybe a regular homework assignment. Going down on our course website here, I have a video archive. So this will just be filled. This table will continue to grow as our semester goes along. Let's talk a little bit about some of this other administrative stuff here. So in addition to D2L, you're going to need an account at StatsClass. Now I need this account at StatsClass so that I know when you submit your notes who you are. Or when you submit your homework assignments, I know who you are. To access that account, you simply log in up here in the upper right-hand corner. Now, the first time that you do this, you will have to create an account. And again, I'll give you a video for how to do that. So you will need an account here at statsclass.org. So there is the video for you on how to set up that account. The course notes, like I mentioned, are interactive. These course notes are going to be divided into various modules and parts, and they're going to require you to complete various tasks and/or answer questions that are embedded within those notes. Like I mentioned, after you submit the notes, the answers to those questions will be provided so that you can check your understanding. Again, there's a short video on how do I submit my actual notes. Again, you'll need a student account to do that. But once you have your student account, you can log in and start completing your notes. Now, one thing about course notes, I don't have due dates on the course notes. So you have until the end of the semester to complete the course notes. Now, each module will have either, like I said, a guided homework assignment or a regular homework assignment. So let's talk about those for a minute. The assignments are going to be distributed via Google Docs. They need to be completed and saved to your Google Drive. And then you will actually submit just a shareable link to your assignment. So I don't have a Dropbox, but what I have is you will put your assignment on either Google Drive, that's what most people do. You could use SharePoint, Microsoft SharePoint as well if you wanted, but what I need is a shareable link of your assignment submitted. Again, there's a short video showing you how that is done. Your grade is determined by the following. You're going to get 3 points for completing the course notes. So if you successfully complete, or at least try to complete the course notes, you automatically get 3 points. If you do not do the course notes, then you get 0 points for that module. After completing the set of course notes, you'll be required to complete either the guided homework assignment and/or the regular homework assignment. For the guided homework assignments, those are going to be graded as follows. 7 points for sufficiently completing the assignment by the due date. 4 points for making a reasonable attempt to complete the assignment by the due date. And 0 points if you do not make a submission of the guided homework assignment by the due date. Solutions to the guided assignments are provided upon your submission. Okay, so as soon as you submit a guided homework assignment, I give you the solutions. You should carefully review these solutions before moving on to the next section of content to be covered. You don't have to go back and change your answers because I'm giving you full credit for sufficiently completing the assignment. I'm not really grading your guided homework assignments for correctness. It's more for completeness. If you'd like to go back and edit your solutions that you made, you're more than welcome to do that. The regular homework assignments are going to take more time to complete, and they're more typical in nature. These assignments are usually worth about 20 or 25 points. The solutions to the regular homework assignments are automatically posted at the due date. Okay, so this is all done automatically. So it is important that you get your regular homework assignments in on time. Because once I post the solutions, I cannot accept the homework assignment. Okay, so I'm talking about the regular homework assignments here. So you'll have plenty of time. Usually I give you a week or 10 days to work on your homework assignments. But again, those cannot be late. I cannot accept late work when it comes to the regular homework assignments. So you want to stay on top of when those are due and make sure and get those submitted. Now, obviously, the regular homework assignments are going to be based off of your course notes and likely off of some of the guided homework assignments. So it is important that you're completing the notes and the guided assignments before you attempt the regular homework assignments. And again, you're getting the solutions for the course notes and the solutions for the guided homework assignments. So look at those solutions, pay attention to what you're learning. Okay, look at that feedback before trying to tackle one of the regular homework assignments. Final grades are 90, 80, 70, 60, just kind of your standard grading scale. Here are their learning outcomes. I'll let you read those on your own. And then we do have a course syllabus here at the bottom, which is just a PDF of the syllabus, which has much of the same information that I've just talked about here. There are some additional resources that I've provided on the syllabus. Course description. I expect that you've had some sort of introductory statistics course. Doesn't have to be here at Winona State, but just some sort of introductory course around statistics or quantitative methods. Here's your assessments, your grading scheme again, and then there's a topic outline here at the bottom. Just kind of gives you an idea of what the topics that we're going to cover in this course. Okay, that's all I have then for our introductory video. I'm glad that you're in this course. I look forward to working with you over the next few weeks in completing the content required for this course. Thank you and have a good night.